Okay, folks, today we'll be talking about another deal from Ridgid for their 3/8 Impact Wrench. Go to HomeDepot.com and search for the Ridgid 3/8 Impact. The first one that shows up is the original kit I was talking about. That includes a 2.0 battery and a charger for $140. But if you scroll down, you see that the new available tool is that it's available as a bare tool only for $99. If you don't know already, even the bare tools are available for lifetime service agreement as long as you remember to register the tool. Some people might just want to get the $99 tools because they don't want the 2.0 battery, because the battery is actually not Octane. And supposedly, if you pair Octane 2 with the Octane battery, you get much better performance. Also, this tool is not available at Home Depot. It is only available online. Personally, I think $99 is a great price for these compact tools, especially when you compare them to other brand name manufacturers. This one, I have tested it up to 250 foot-pounds of torque. It might go higher, but that's all I tested it up to. Yeah, so good deal. All right, take it easy, folks. See you next time.